Hello friends, today we are continuing my 10 day till Christmas winter wonderland series, and for today I think we will make one cute kitty with Christmas tree, and I found this on Pinterest and somebody make it with watercolors, but I want to make it with alcohol markers. So I think we will use this, and we will use these jelly pens for Christmas decoration. So first I want to try this super pale yellow, and we will make it like this around the tree. So that is that, and maybe here where the little cat is. So when this goes dry, it will not look like this is streaky. So this is nice markers. So I have two twin markers and Touchnew, and I think this is the same company, I'm not sure. So then I want to add this yellow here and there. And I want to add also this pink, super light pink one. So maybe here. So that is that. Now we are working on our tree, and we're starting from here. Is this dry? Almost. Now this green. So we are working this part. Like this, and then our kitty. So our kitty is totally light orange. And then she have a little one of dark orange. Like this. And then she had a little nose here. And black eyes. Like this. And then we are making our Christmas balls. So first this part. And then some balls are gold. And some are just like now we need our lights, and our lights will be this different gold, so we will have one here, and now we need one more layer of this orange. And maybe little mouth. Like she's smiling. You have finished the tree. So now we wait this to dry, and then I want to add a little bit of outline with black. But first I want this. But okay, we can do it like this. So just a little outline around our tree. And a little bit of white in the eye. I think this one is not working, so we will add that one and a little bit a tree. And I think it's cute. So that is that. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? I think it's cute. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.